Gagawa kami ng, ano? Ma! Let's go!
Masingkat pa dato yun ah.
Nay! Mom, what are you doing there? Unboxing my new camera! I'm ready ka na?
Sige.
Lina? Pang-stress reliever ata. Sobra-sobra niyo yung stress mo. Canon EOS M6. This is the manual. Mama, ilang taon ka na?
Secret.
This is my mom. My mom's name is Mila. For those of you who don't know her yet. What are you gonna say to them, Mom? So this is the straw. Oh, my dream. I've never really thought. Ang kulot talaga ang mga kakastuya. Hanggang nagkaroon ako eh. First video. Kinda liked it. Magagamitin na tayo pang Pilipinas. So this is the battery. Kasi ngayon ang ginagamit lang namin is yung iPhone. What is that, Mom? The camera. What is this? The lens? Is this the lens? So this is 15 to 45 mm lens. Are you ready, Mom?
What's that?
The camera!
Open.
You ready?
Yeah. So, ang maganda, look how good is this. You can see yourself. Pwede kang mag-selfie. And ang maganda is, pwede mo siyang, ano siya, namumove. Pag medyo magpipicture ka ng gano'n. Look, Mom, this is so pretty. Touch it.
I don't know how to do this. Manual. Yeah. Mom, you did at least.
This battery, Mom, do you know that it has a Wi-Fi? Pwede mo siyang i-connect sa Wi-Fi at saka Bluetooth. Kapag kunyari nag-picture ka, pwede mong isend sa cellphone mo. This is really good. This is a good one. Like, so pwede mo makita yung sarili mo. Diyan ang mag-selfie ng ganito.
Susubukan namin ni Mama.
Mom, be careful! Be careful! Walang ganito sa bantay. Ano to? Paano to? Aha! 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 This is black and silver. Meron yung black. Papakita ko sa inyo sa screen. Yung white and then ito yung black at silver. Kasi ang pinagpilian ko talaga Canon EOS M6 or Canon EOS M50. Maganda yung M50, yun yung mga choices nila. Actually, they're pretty much the same as this one. Kaso lang, kasi ito yung parang old-fashioned, maganda. Tapos ang gusto ko kasi yung nabubukas, yung dito sa taas, and then pwede mo siyang ma-move. This is pretty cool look. So, yung M50 naman, pag ano, dito yung screen. Ay, maganda rin siya, pero I kinda like this one. Mom! Magdanog ako siya.
Magdanagan ka. Makabasa. Here.
No, I don't even know how to open the camera. Here.
So, hindi namin alam tanggalin to. At gusto namin ilagay sana ito. Kaso lang, hindi namin alam.
Press the button. Press the button. Where's that? That's the one.
No?
Oh, got it!
See?
So, ganun pala. So, pindot dito. Tapos,
Turn.
ma.
Yan yung makita. Gori ka.
Awa ng Julie! Kumapoy yung mata mo, Julie. Ay! Palakpakan! Walang ganito sa bantay. Pasensya na first time ko magka-camera. I'm so happy about it. Ay, sus, ginoo ka na.
Gori ka.
Si Mama magaling sa mga ganito yung figuring out. She's really good at doing this. She's really good at techniques at magaling siya dumiskarte.
Ganon?
Oh! See how beautiful it is? And it's so little. Ano siya, madali lang siyang ilagay sa bag. Hindi siya masyadong malaki. Kasi mirrorless. Kumbaga parang yung sa DSLR na compact. Na parang nandun na lahat. Na compact pa tawag doon. It's pretty. So, hindi pa din namin alam kung bakit hindi mabuksan. Hindi ko alam kung ako bang diferensya o ikaw. Bakit masaya ka na? Iwan nyo na lang ako. Ganyan naman kayo. Iniwan na niya ako. Pero di ko kaya bumitaw ikay masasaktan dahil pangako ko'y walang iwanan. balikan ko kayo kapag medyo pwede na yung battery. So, ayan, na-charge ko ng konti yung battery. So, on.
So sabi niya, to fully use the camera, push and hold the switch in direction, then rotate to unlock. Kasi namumove. So yan, dahil doon, pwede na siya.
So, ayan yung kuha niya, which is really good. Yo. Hindi. Ang maganda dito is Wi-Fi. May Wi-Fi siya. Pwede kang mag-access ng Wi-Fi at Bluetooth. Pwede mong i-Bluetooth agad yung picture dito sa phone. Oh, which is really cool. Nag-automatic rotate siya. Oh my God! And you know what's really cool about it? Is so I'm using this right now. Oh, this is pretty, so I should be looking the lens. Sorry, wala akong ayos. I'm just really excited to, medyo excited, kasi kaya malapit kasi naka-zoom. Sobrang excited lang ako na i-cover itong video na to kasi gusto ko talagang may pakita. Unboxing my new camera, first Canon camera, and I'm so happy about it. Bakit, pasensya na medyo sanay ako tumitingin sa screen. I should be looking this. Look how pretty, ang ganda. I'm impressed, and kita na yung pimples ko. So,
So pretty. So yan. And pwede din. Ito, pag kunyari gusto nyo.
I'm gonna show you this to you. This is a really cool features niya. So, nakikita nyo wala yung flash niya. So, ipipress ko lang yung flash. Ang ganda! So, yan. Balik mo lang. Parang tingnan na. Oh my gosh! This is really cool. So happy. So, yan. Canon EOS M6. I'm so happy that I bought this. Ito yung first camera ko. And yeah, I'm just so happy. Thank you, Lord. And yun. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Ngayong may camera na ako at ready na akong mag-vlog. You can, pwede kayong mag-comment down below whatever you wanna me to do. And yan, so always remember you are loved, you are deserved, you are worth it. So don't settle for less, because you are loved by God. Thank you everyone. This is Jam. Good night.